So you have a Hostinger account or are considering getting it, but need some guidance on how to use Hostinger Website Builder? Then you've come to the right place, as I'm here with a quick yet thorough Hostinger Website Builder tutorial. Hostinger is an excellent choice for a budget-friendly website builder. Even their premium website builder plan is sufficient. However, I recommend paying those 90 cents extra and going with the business website builder from the get-go. You'll get e-commerce features and, most importantly, fully supported AI tools, which will definitely come in handy for building your website. Now, if you still don't have a plan, you can save some money by using my discount. To get it, just scan this QR code or follow the link from the description. This discount will work on all the plans I've recommended, and it will take you straight to the Hostinger website with the coupon already applied. There, after selecting the plan you prefer, you will also have to decide on the billing period. If your budget allows, I highly recommend opting for the longest duration available. It will save you money long term. Enter your details and proceed with the payment. By the way, if you still have some crypto, it's an accepted payment method too. After you've got your plan and confirmed your email, you will land on this setup page. First, choose the type of website you want to build and then select Hostinger Website Builder. In the next step, you'll need to describe your website. Choose a type and give it a title. To make it easier for the AI to build the website you want, be thorough and detailed in your description. This step is crucial as Hostinger uses it to craft the design and fill it with relevant text and images. Essentially, you receive not just an AI-created design, but an entire complete website. Well, mostly. Anyhow, that's all for the setup. Just wait a bit for your website to be built. Some of you might be wondering about templates. Hostinger has phased out the regular templates in favor of an AI tool that creates various designs. You can still access them, but to be honest, it seems that templates are not getting many updates any longer as Hostinger is focusing more on the AI builder now. With that said, let's get back to the website Hostinger AI created for us by clicking on Edit Website. The website is already built, but it's just the beginning as we'll want some edits for sure. So let's see how to use the Hostinger Website Editor. First, you get full drag and drop controls to move elements wherever you want. For beginners, arranging everything can feel overwhelming, so you also have a grid feature that clearly shows where you can place things. Essentially, Hostinger for beginners is great as it's a no-code website builder, so you don't need any web knowledge. Let's take a closer look at the elements. There are only 15 of them, so it doesn't compare to some other large builders like Wix. However, these are the essential components every website needs. Elements include social icons, galleries, contact forms, and even embedded code blocks. For example, let's add a gallery to show you how it works. Just drag the gallery right here. As you can see, it's already populated with demo images. Next, click Manage to edit this gallery. You can upload images from your computer or add them from the free integrated stock image selection if you don't have any. This feature saves a lot of time since you don't need to leave the editor to search for related media. Once you've added the images you want, click the Edit Gallery to change the appearance of it. I'll choose the Masonry view. Decrease the number of items per row and remove the gaps between them. Finally, I'll assign a scale animation. Moving sections around or adding new ones is also straightforward. The section selection is decent, including pre-made terms of agreements, forms, and shop blocks. While I wish there were more animations or in-depth style settings, I'm quite happy with what Hostinger offers. Next, in this Hostinger Website Builder guide, let me show you how to use AI tools. On the left side, you'll find an entire menu dedicated to just AI tools, including a logo generator, AI blog generator, writer, and more. While these tools aren't entirely unique, they are incredibly helpful, especially if you're building a website on your own with little or no prior experience. The AI image generator works well. You can be quite descriptive and eventually get what you want. However, keep in mind that you have a limited number of credits when creating a Hostinger account, and once those are used up, each additional image will cost extra. The AI tool I found to be really useful was the Logo Maker, which provided some cool, non-copyrighted designs in seconds that can save you a lot of money as you won't have to pay a graphic designer. Of course, it probably won't match the work of a skilled graphic designer, but if it's not an expensive project of yours, it might just be enough. Now, the AI Writer tool was recently updated. It used to be very basic and only allowed choosing from subcategories for your text to be created, but now it offers prompt writing. It's still not perfect, but it's a massive improvement. The AI blog generator works similarly. It can create entire blog posts of your preferred length based on just a couple of words or sentences. You can try generating the blog posts you want with unlimited attempts without using credits or paying extra. Overall, I was satisfied with the results. It needed some editing afterward, but it saves you time when building your SEO or larger blogs. The AI heat map tool helps you plan where to place important information on your website. A standard heat map shows the areas that will get the most attention from visitors. The AI heat map can predict these spots even before you publish your site. However, I'm not sure how accurate it is. If it is accurate, it's a huge advantage for a new website, giving it a head start. For example, this can be very beneficial for small online stores, as you can strategically place buy buttons or special deals where they are most likely to be noticed. There's one more AI tool I want to cover. It's the AI page generator. If you want more pages on your website, this tool is the quickest way to start. As usual, all you have to do is write a description for the new page. However, after experimenting with it for a while, I found it challenging to get exactly what I wanted. This tool sometimes struggles to understand the specific page you have in mind. The key is to focus on the first few words of your description, as they seem to be the most important. So I hope these tools are improved even more in the future, but knowing Hostinger's history, it's a when rather than if. That would be all on the Hostinger AI website builder tools, but there is plenty more to cover. So next, on how to create a website, let's modify your website style. First, the color selection might seem a bit complicated, but it shows all the colors used in your design. I love that it provides a count of how many times each specific color is used. In the text tab, we can manage our fonts. There are a few of the most popular font combinations available, but that's not all. If you click here, you can edit the fonts extensively. You can choose different variations, sizes, and line heights for various elements, such as distinct combinations for H2 and H3 headings. Additionally, by clicking here, you can access a much larger selection of fonts. There isn't much to say about buttons and animation tabs, as they're really simple. You can choose from 3 button styles for your entire design and 4 animation options to animate the entire website. It's completely up to you to select what you like here, but I recommend not going overboard here. Minimalistic websites often look the best. Alright, to learn how to make a website with an online store, all you need to do is click here. Don't worry though, with Hostinger it doesn't cost extra. You can start selling even with the cheapest plan. This will create a demo storefront with pre-made items. All you have to do is click on Manage Products and change the details to match your products. These details include only the necessary information and basic SEO options, avoiding unnecessary clutter. To set up shipping, go to Manage Store and fill in all the information there. If you have experience running a web store, this should feel very familiar. Let's explore the settings next. On the first page, you can upload a favicon, that small image displayed near your website's name. You can also add a preview image and enable the cookie banner. The integration tab is more important. Here you can connect to popular apps like Google Analytics or Facebook Live Chat. This allows you to seamlessly integrate these tools into your website for better functionality and user engagement. Talking more about analytics, you don't have to use Google. Hostinger comes with its own analytics tool. While it's more limited, it provides basic information such as the number of orders you receive, where most of your customers come from. This makes it easy to track essential metrics without needing to set up an external tool. Now, most beginners don't really understand what SEO is for, but we do need it. Well, that's if you want your website to be discoverable. If we go to the SEO page, we can see how our website will look in search results. There's also a handy completion bar that shows if there are any areas for improvement. Clicking on any page will launch an SEO setup, where you can add your title, description, and keywords. I like that Hostinger provides suggestions for keywords you can add. Go through this setup for all your pages and you'll be all set. See, it's quite simple after all. Once that's done, all that is left is to publish our new website. To do that, press on this Go Live button. After that, a window will pop up with a link to your live website and an option to change your domain. Congrats, you've successfully created your website. So, is Hostinger Website Builder good? Overall, I found it to be a great tool to use, especially for beginners. Plus, AI website builder tools help a ton. You can really build a professional website all in one afternoon with no prior experience. By the way, if you have any questions, don't shy away from leaving a comment. We'll try to answer as many questions as we can. So yeah, that's about it in this Hostinger Website Builder tutorial. If you found it helpful and want more up-to-date content, don't forget to like and subscribe. As for now, that would be all for me in this one. See you guys soon.